Okay, dear students, now we are back to our third session. Let us start from Eastings and Northings. So, page number 4. All of you take out page number 4. Please take. Okay, here we can find Eastings and Northings. So, the bottom left, I mean south to west corner of a topographic map is taken as the starting point of numbering the grid. That already we said. Here you can see, so top left hand side bottom. Okay. Now let me show you left hand side bottom, this side. This side we are taking for marking the line, starting the line. So, here you can see bottom side, this line vertical. So, there you can see 40, 40, 41, 42, increasing order, starting from here and goes to increasing order. Here also you can see this numbering also goes to increasing order on top, start from bottom. Okay. So, beginning point is here, this section. Okay. And now you see another one. This we can divide into two lines. One is this line which passes this, another one is here. And this line is known as passes from this side. This is known as which one? Northings. Do you understand what I say? This one is known as northing. And another one we can say so eastings. Easting, that opposite you may think that this side which line passes, this may be northing, you may think so like this. No, that is wrong. This line, which one? This is known as northing. The line from bottom to bottom, which one? 27. This according to number we have to understand. 27, 28, 29. This line, this increases towards north. This is known as northing. And this line is known as easting, because from left side to right it is increasing. One line here, then little more eastern side, I mean right side, another number, that is again little more east side, that is 42. So, we can say, so these lines, I shall show you, these lines are known as eastings and these lines are known as northings. Okay. And go to next page, grid reference. So, in a grid already I said to you what do we mean by grid. Grid is the square, while these northings and eastings Let us see once again. Northings and eastings. When they join, there forms some square like this. These are known as grid. These small square like graph paper. This one is known as what? A grid. And this we are indicating into it consists of 4 digits and it is a 4-figure grid reference. What do you mean by 4-figure grid reference? That let us see here. Once I set you what the number we start to give from left hand side, bottom, down. Do you understand here? And here we can have a 20 for this 2-digit number we have to give. 21, 22 and 23. And here you see 30, 31, 32. Okay, you got it, that numbers. And first which number? First we have to take easting first. Which one is easting? The line passes from which one? West to east. I mean this line is known as easting. These are west side first line, then little more east, and what about this? First number is 20. So let us mark that first number 20 here, and 20 from here to here, this 20. And now let us go to another number 30, this first line. After 20 we have to write 30. Now we got 2030. 30 is this line and 20 is this line. So which one? 30 from here to here and 20 from here to here. So which line? This line, this grid. So this is what 4-digit grid reference. Do you understand what I said? Once again I am explaining to you this for first line. This is easting. That number let us give 20, 21, 22, 23. And now northing. Let us give the number 30, 31, 32, etc. And let us take first 21. This you have to write first 21. And suppose we have to take this 21 is this line, so this line we want to. So next, before that, bottom side 30. This you take and write, and we got it. This 21 this line and 30 this line. So we got this grid for our reference. Now let us go to color.